birthday to you.
Give it to me straight. Are we gonna make payroll, or do I have to start laying people off? You don't understand. I will lose everything if I lay everybody off now. Are you looking?
How old's he turning again?
35, maybe 36.
Looking at the report from 2 weeks ago.
His finances are aging him like crazy.
He's not that old. Whoa, old. He's old.
Does he know about Clockwork?
What's that?
It's an AI CFO. It connects your books automatically, builds your forecasts, and answers all your financial questions in seconds.
Looking for the birthday boy! Whoop, whoop! Where is he? Hey, buddy. I'm not clowning around. Hey, boss, how you doing? Happy birthday. Pick a card. Any card.
Give me a minute.
What? What? I can't hear you, boss. What? Fine. I guess nobody believes in magic anymore.
There's your cash flow, payroll, projections, and everything else he just spent 45 minutes not telling you.
So how you feeling now?
I feel great. Let's see some magic.
Great. Let's get down to business. For my next trick, scarf tied inside my pants, I'm going to saw myself in half. Oh, no, I've been debriefed. Hold that for me, will you, boss? Oh, I can juggle. Watch me juggle. Here we go. Oh, look, invisible bowling balls. Ow, my foot. Kiss it, will you, boss? I love this guy. Mwah.